The garden was full. Nothing was lacking. One command stood between life and loss. The serpent was more subtle than any beast of the field. He spoke to the woman, questioning the word of God. Has God truly said, "You shall not eat"? The woman looked at the tree, good for food, pleasant to the eyes, desired to make one wise. She took and ate, and gave to the man with her, and he ate.
They reached for wisdom and found shame. They opened their eyes and lost their place. What was trusted was broken. What was whole came undone.
Their eyes were opened, and they knew they were naked. They sewed fig leaves together, hiding from one another. They heard the voice of God walking in the garden, and they hid themselves.
God called.
"Where are you?"
The man answered in fear.
"I hid, for I was naked." Blame was divided. Words were bent. Truth fractured. The ground was cursed for man, pain multiplied for the woman. The serpent was judged, cast down, yet mercy spoke in judgment. The seed would come and crush the head of the deceiver. Garments were made by God, covering their shame. The garden closed behind them. The way guarded life continued east of Eden, marked by loss, yet held by promise.
Sin entered